Once upon a shoreline where the sea kissed the sand, lived a girl who believed the ocean could talk. Her name was Nancy. Every summer, she whispered secrets to the waves and waited for them to whisper back. To her, the beach was more than sand and salt. It was alive. It was her friend. But one summer, everything changed. The ocean didn't talk that day. It choked. And then she saw it, a baby turtle tangled in plastic rings, gasping. She cried. Not for the turtle, but because no one seemed to care the ocean was dying. That night, she made a promise to the waves, that she would fight for them. The villagers laughed. She's just a child, they said. One girl can't save the sea. But one act of kindness doesn't go unnoticed forever. Someone filmed her saving the turtles from tangled plastic, and soon the video went viral. Soon, strangers became volunteers. Laughter replaced apathy. The ocean began to breathe again. And just like that, the sea began to speak again, this time, with gratitude. Years passed. The girl grew. So did her love for the sea. She graduated as a marine biologist. She became the voice for the voiceless waves, teaching children what she once learned the hard way. One morning, on a clean, quiet beach, a familiar turtle came ashore, with babies. The ocean doesn't need a million perfect people. It just needs one brave heart to start the wave. Nancy's tears once fell like rain, but they watered a future where the sea could finally smile.